Hello friends, welcome to our channel Plagfree Content. Today I will quickly guide you how to use Mendeley from the scratch. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to go to the Mendeley official website and download the Mendeley desktop for the Windows. After download, you need to install it. Once the installation will successfully completed, you need to go to the Mendeley desktop and open it. After successful launch of the Mendeley, you need to give your credentials and click on the sign in button. Once the Mendeley will successfully log in, you will get this pop-up window where Mendeley will ask you to install the MS Word plugin. But in my case it is already installed, so I am just closing it. There is another option to install the MS Word plugin, so go to the tools and click on the installed MS Word plugin. After successful installation of MS Word plugin, now the next step is you need to import all the documents which you need to cite in your paper. So I am just dragging it. Now you can see all the papers are successfully imported in the Mendeley desktop. Now the next step is you need to open the paper where you want to give the citation. So click on the references option. After clicking on the references section, you can see insert citation and insert bibliography option. Now the first step is you need to select the paragraph where you want to give the citation. So for example, I am selecting this paragraph and this paragraph belongs to S-Loss writer. So I am just putting my cursor after this paragraph and click on the insert citation button. Now you need to give the writer's name, that is S-Loss in my case, and select it and click on the OK button. Now you can see my citation got successfully inserted in the APA format. I am just giving another example. For example, here another writer is Darwin. So now you can see my second citation is successfully inserted in APA format. Now the next step is you need to give the bibliography of all the inserted citation. So put the cursor in the references section and click on the insert bibliography. Now you can see I have inserted 2 citations, so 2 references are included for those 2 citations. And here there is another option to change the citation style. For example, I don't want APA, I want IEEE. So in a single click you can change APA to IEEE format. So this is the quick tutorial about how to use Mendeley. If you like this video, please thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.